.pop site, and just a test folder that's inside my folder as an example. And the first step in using images in your Plone site is to add an image to the site. So that's what we're going to do in this first part here. So you want to sign into your site wherever you want to do the adding of the image. And so I'm right here in my folder, and I want to click on the contents view, and wherever you add an image, you're going to want to have an images folder. So I have this test page here, and underneath I have an images folder. So this is going to be where you want to add any of your JPEGs or PNG files. Generally, you try to keep the site organized by having one folder that holds all the images, and so sometimes you have that at the top level and you just use that for all the child directories. And in some cases, like I think in SSRI News, we might have an images folder there. So wherever the closest images folder is to where you're working is a fine place to put your photo. So once you're in the images folder here, and you can see that you're there by looking at the cookie crumbs at the top, or the breadcrumbs, and you just go to Add New Image. And hopefully it doesn't take this long for you. And so then I'm given a form. This is kind of the standard form. You give it a title, whatever you want to call it. If you need a description here, you can add this. And then you're going to get a dialog box to choose your file. And I'm just going to pick something off my desktop. And I will choose this image, open, and you'll see the file appear here in the image field, and just hit save. And as you hit save, it's going to start to upload that file to the Plone site. So now you can look up here in the URL and you can see you're in the images folder, and there's your image listed there. So now you have that file there. If you go back to sort of the main folder that you were starting with, go to your contents view and into your images directory, and you'll see that your image is here, your test image. And now you have that image on the site, and you can use it in different content types. And so we will look at each individual content type in the next video.